FightCamp Elite Home Boxing Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've ever wanted to bring the intensity of a boxing gym into your home, FightCamp might be the ultimate setup. But what does it cost, and is it really worth the investment? Let's take a closer look. The FightCamp Elite package is priced at about $349. It includes a freestanding punching bag, workout mat, hand wraps, gloves and punch trackers that measure your speed, power and punch count in real time. You'll also need a monthly membership to access FightCamp's full library of workouts. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just about boxing drills. But FightCamp offers a full body training experience. You can choose from boxing, kickboxing, strength and conditioning workouts, all led by professional trainers who push you to improve round after round. The connected punch trackers are what set FightCamp apart. They use motion sensors to count every jab and hook, giving you live feedback during your session. You can even track your performance over time and compete on leaderboards. The membership also includes beginner-friendly tutorials and structured training paths designed for all skill levels from first-timers to serious fighters. So, what do you get for your money? A complete, data-driven boxing experience that combines the thrill of combat training with the precision of smart fitness technology. If you're looking for a fun, high-intensity way to get in shape and relieve stress, FightCamp turns your living room into a personal boxing ring.